Here's a 2006 Jeep Liberty missing a front fender flare. It came off going down the interstate on a windy day. Some of the plastic clips holding it on were apparently compromised. Fortunately, I was able to find the part. There's actually a lot of car parts in the ditches. This is the part with a few minor scratches. It's supposed to be here. Some of these clips have failed. This one's missing. Little fingers are broken off of some of them. Okay, you can see this one's missing completely. This one's got a piece broken off, and it's held in by little tongs that stick out of the clip here and go into these holes. And then to get the old one off, you can just flip this, pull this up a little bit, and then they'll come right off. Maybe in pieces, but they'll come right off. Some clips are broken and some missing completely. They're plastic parts that have been out in the hot and cold for 15 years, so they'll all get replaced. I don't want parts flying off going down the road. This side just simply flips up a little bit, pulleys up a little bit, and then that just slides right out of there. The new parts that hold it to the steel fenders are called molding retainers. The molding retainers snap into holes in the steel fender. Plastic pop rivets are used to hold it to the inner fender well. The pop rivets go in the inner fender well and attach to the inside part of the fender flare. Pop rivets hold it to the inner fender well. This piece. One of the clips stayed with the steel fender. I'll remove and replace it too. There. All the old clips are off. Time to start putting it back together. They just snap right in. They need to be oriented so the tabs in the clips catch the two little square holes and stay put. They just clip right in. Then the assembly snaps back on the vehicle. We just love our plastic snap together cars. At least they don't rust. The plastic parts, that is. The rest of it does. That seems to be getting in there okay. It attaches to the inner fender well with pop rivets. The shank on these are 3.6 millimeter, larger than the typical pop rivet gun will handle, so a special plastic pop rivet tool is used. They're cheap and available from all the usual online suppliers. I'll snip off the extra sticking out. That will give the snow and ice a little less to get a grip on. If you have one of these Jeep Liberties, you know it needs a lot of attention, so why not give it the best? AMSOIL has a full line of top quality synthetic lubricants, filters, and fuel additives for this and almost anything else that moves. There's links in the description if you want to check that out. If you like the video or find it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description or MidwestSynthetic.com for more information on AMSOIL's line of synthetic lubricants, filters, cleaners, fuel additives, and more. Thanks for watching.